Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, gold on the monthly to me seems extremely clear that this is a 1, 2, 3. We are probably very likely in a wave 4, and if that is true, then we're probably going to have a ABC correction lasting maybe 5 to 6 months, maybe going down to the 38% before we actually go up and make a bigger wave 5. So let's take it down to the weekly. On the weekly time frame, we do have a nice impulsive move down. We do have a break of structure. I think that does confirm the wave 3 is likely over. I think that we are very likely, like I said, going to have a correction, probably lasting about 4, 5, 6 months. Then it will make some sort of a three-way pattern down to at least a 38% Fibonacci retracement, maybe even further. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me, it looks like a very, very clear little downtrend right here, most likely a wave A. I think we're in an A, B, C, or B already, so at some point it's going to end up looking something like this, probably. Maybe go up to at least a 61% to make an A, B, C, or B before it actually goes down and makes the bigger wave C. Probably look at something like that. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I do think that we're in a wave A of wave B. So to me, it looks like a very clear 1, 2, and this looks like a wave 3. I think we're in a wave 4 right now. I think this is actually an ABC of 4, and it's probably going to go up one more time for wave 5. We'll have to keep an eye on it because if it breaks and holds below structure with momentum, then it may already be the end of a wave A. But to me, it looks like it needs to make a 4 and a 5 to finish off the wave A before it actually goes down and makes a bigger correction for the B, and then another uptrend for the C. So, keeping all that in mind, let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So, 1 hour time frame, like I said, if it breaks this structure like with a lot of momentum and holds below structure, then we're definitely going to have to say that the wave A is over already. But I think it's actually pretty clear this is a 1, this is a 2, this whole middle section is a wave 3. I think that this impulsive downbreak of structure is a big clue. The clue is that is a wave A. This is potentially 3 waves up right there for wave B. Now we're potentially already in a wave C. So if you do get like a rejection of structure or you get like a nice engulfing move to the upside, I definitely would go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. Probably still all part of the wave A of wave B. Looks like it should be a wave 5. So if it is a wave 5, it'll probably go take out these highs and then reverse back down to the downside, breaking structure, proving that the wave A is complete. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.